This video will cover importing your data into Intrabench. Your data needs to be in a comma-separated file, Excel spreadsheet or CSV file. If you have an Excel file, you can export to CSV. To import a file, go to System, Configuration, and click on Import Data. On this screen, you need to select the CSV file you wish to upload. Click on Browse. A list of files that you have on your machine will be shown. Select the file you wish to upload, and then press Next. It's important to note that the spreadsheet or CSV file you're uploading, the first line should contain a list of column names, as you can see here, such as company name, address, postcode, the actual name. When you're importing, you need to match up these columns to the ones within Intrabench. So you need to match up each of the columns in your spreadsheet to one of the internal Intrabench names, such as you may be calling the field line 1 address. You need to match that to address 1, which is the field name for the Intrabench system. The easiest way to do this is simply make the columns in your CSV file the same as the Intrabench system, so call them address 1, address 2, address 3, and so on. At the top you can see the number of contacts that are going to actually be imported. These contacts can also be checked against duplicates already in your system. The first option allows duplicates within your system to be updated and custom fields will be overwritten. The second option here is that duplicate contacts won't be imported, but custom fields will be overwritten. The third option is duplicate contacts will not be imported and custom fields will be unchanged. And the third one is that duplicate contacts are imported into the system, so you'll end up with duplicates basically. When you're importing data from your CSV file, you may have a column that doesn't exist within Intrabench. You can create that from within this screen, or you can also go to System Configuration, Company Fields, and click on Add. A pop-up will open up where you can create the new field. Here you can select whether the field is created for the company or the contact. Now you can specify the type of the new field, whether it's a drop-down, a multi-select, text entry box, or a date field. Next, enter in the name you want for the new field, and then press Save. The new field will be created within the system, and all your data will be imported into that new field. You can assign this import to an existing system user by selecting the user here. You can also assign this import to existing custom fields within the system. For example, the import you can assign to lead status internet, radio or other, as well as the industry field. These are any other custom fields that you've created within your system previously. Click on Next to import this data into the system. Here you can see a list of previous imports into the system. By clicking on View, you can see the import. If you click on Delete, you can delete the import you have just carried out. This completes the tutorial on importing data to Intrabench.